this is the food, and these are black roses for me to hold. Jack and Ben are going to sit right here. Connor's going to sit in that little place. And this is my hat. And this is my cauldron. Want me to open it up? Show you?
What's in there?
This is my shirt, Connor's shoes, the 2 grapes, and the pizza, and the North Pole, and all other stuff, and French fries. Boxes. I keep this, when I'm starting out things, you know, Jack and Ben are going to be in it. So when I do potions, in this one, I just have to do this to make them appear. And this is going to be my bear eye copy. It goes like this. And then that's it. And these are my